Hi everyone. I've been asked to talk about a couple of the tools that I use on a day-to-day basis to help me speed up my work and give the office, clients, and other technicians more accurate information. The first tool that I'm going to talk about is Motion X GPS. This GPS program is currently only available for the iPhone. However, I'm sure there are other similar applications for the BlackBerry and Android smartphones. My primary use of this tool is to create an accurate, easy-to-follow map to site. Before I go into how I create the map, I will quickly run through the setup of the app to adjust the settings for our specific requirements. This is the main menu of Motion X. As you can see, there are many tools here you can take advantage of. Once the app is open, click the menu button in the bottom right-hand corner, then click Setup. In the Setup menu, we want to make some changes to the display settings. Click Display. There are two main items in the display settings that we want to adjust to ensure that we have the correct units. The first of which is we want to change our unit to kilometers from miles. The second is we want to change the coordinate format to UTM. After the setup has been completed, you're now ready to use Motion X. I typically do not create my track on the way to site, especially if you are following directions rather than being led to site. Rather, I prefer to create my map to site by working in reverse after I've completed my task on site. After the work on site has been completed, I now click on the tracks on the main menu. Click New Track near the top left of the screen. If there's time showing in the display, click Reset Track. Otherwise, you'll be adding your current track to the previous track. Check to make sure that the globe in the top right-hand corner of the screen is blue and green and that the globe is spinning. If the globe is red, you do not have a GPS signal yet. Just wait a moment and it should turn blue and green once it acquires the GPS signal. Now put your phone down and drive back to the city or town you are giving your directions from. Once you've arrived, click Pause Track. Then click Save Track. Now enter a name that you can remember the site by. The LSD works great. Now click Share this track. Scroll down to where the email addresses are. You will need to enter your own email address here. Then at the top of the page, on the right-hand side, click Share. The map and GPS files have now been emailed to you. Open the email and scroll to the bottom. Select and save both the KMZ and GPX files and attach these to the report email you will later send to the office. These files can be used by clients or technicians to make finding the site in the future a breeze. Scroll back up to the top and click View on Map. Now click Open in Google Maps. Now select Map from the button on the upper right-hand corner of the map. While the satellite and hybrid maps may show more detail, they don't print well, especially in black and white. The next thing you need to do is to scale the map. You want to zoom as large as you can while still showing your track in its entirety. After you have the zoom set, hit Alt and Print Screen buttons together on a Windows computer or Command, Shift, and the number 3 on a Mac. The only thing left to do is to crop your map photo. This can be done in Paint on a Windows machine or iPhoto on a Mac. Once you have the desired area, then crop it and save. Then insert this file into your report the same way you would a photo of the site. This concludes using Motion X GPS to create a map file for your reports. Thanks. The next item I'm going to touch on is the use of iCloud. iCloud is great to allow automatic transfer of photos taken with any Apple device to your PC or Mac. The photos you took on site during the day will automatically be uploaded to your computer when a Wi-Fi connection is available. The first step to using iCloud is to make sure that your Apple device is updated and running iOS 5. To update to iOS 5, connect your device to a Mac or PC and follow the on-screen instructions in iTunes. iTunes 10.5 or later is also required. The next step is to turn on iCloud. When you turn on a new iOS device, or after you've completed the update to iOS 5, follow the on-screen instructions to activate your device and set up iCloud. If you skip the setup process or want to change your iCloud settings, tap the setting icon on the home screen and select iCloud. Now it's time to turn on PhotoStream on your iOS device. Tap Settings and then select iCloud. Tap PhotoStream and set it to on. On a Mac computer, make sure your Mac is running the latest version of OS X Lion. If you don't have Lion installed, you can purchase it from the Mac App Store. If you already have Lion, click the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and choose Software Update to get the latest version. Now we need to turn on iCloud. When prompted, enter your Apple ID for iCloud. If you don't see a prompt, click the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and choose System Preferences. Click iCloud, enter your Apple ID, select the services you'd like to enable. For our purposes, PhotoStream needs to be turned on. Now you need to enable PhotoStream in iPhoto or Aperture. Open iPhoto 2011 or Aperture version 3.2 or later and click the PhotoStream icon in the left column. Then turn on PhotoStream. Now all the photos you take will be automatically transferred to your computer when your iPhone connects to Wi-Fi. To set up iCloud on your Windows PC, download the iCloud Control Panel. To enable iCloud on your Windows PC, install the iCloud Control Panel for Windows. Windows Vista Service Pack 2 or Windows 7 is required. You can download the iCloud Control Panel at http://www.apple.com/iCloud/setup/pc.html. After the program has been downloaded, it's time to turn on iCloud. From the Windows Start menu, choose Control Panel, then Network and Internet, then iCloud. Enter the Apple ID you used to create the iCloud account and select the iCloud services you'd like to enable. Once again, for our purposes, PhotoStream needs to be enabled. Now everything is set up, and every photo you take during the day will be waiting for you on your computer once your iPhone connects to Wi-Fi. Lastly, I would like to touch on the use of Google Documents to enable multiple users to edit and share the same spreadsheets and data simultaneously. This is especially valuable during the winter projects when there are not only many technicians working on a project, but also multiple client representatives that would benefit from access to the information regarding site cleanup and reclamation. To access Google Documents, you will need an internet connection. Go to www.google.ca and then click Documents on the top bar below your address bar. Google Documents is easy to use and works a lot like Microsoft Office. The first thing you need to do is either sign in with your Google account or create one. Each person whom you wish to share the document with needs to have a Google account. If the persons whom you wish to share the document with do not have a Google account, be sure to let them know that they'll need to sign up for one before they can view the documents. Once you've signed in, you will need to either create or upload a document you wish to share. The buttons to do this are on the top left-hand side in red. Once you have uploaded or created your document, you'll need to click Share in blue on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Once the share screen is open, type the email address of each person you wish to share the document with. Remember that these email addresses need to be linked to a Google account in order for them to view or edit the documents. After you enter the email address, set the permissions just to the right of the email address. Once everyone is signed up, each person can simultaneously edit the document. Google also automatically saves the document every few seconds, so there's no need to worry about forgetting to save your changes. This concludes my explanation of a few of the tricks that I use to try and be more productive at work. I'd like to thank all of you for your time and hope you enjoy the rest of spring meetings.